Okay, so we're going to try out our sensory jar thing. Excuse the look. I got this from Zachary Toy Store. And it comes with all these like little accessories you can put in it to like customize it, and then you can even get like add-on things that are different things, like different little cubes with different colored lights. It has lights in the bottom that light up when there's water in it whenever you touch it, but I don't think that there's batteries. Like, I don't think it came with batteries, so we can still do stuff with it. So the little add-ons, like this one had confetti, trinkets and treasures, colorful letters. So it came with like letters and numbers, and then like letters to customize on the side, but it didn't even come with enough letters to say anything. So I am honestly just using like stuff I already had in my office too with it. So to open it, because it's childproof, you have to close both handles, like push the handles in. So I am going to customize the handle to say hey, because that's the only letters I had. Well, I thought I would. But actually, I don't actually know where those go. So never mind. Don't understand that. Act like that didn't happen. So what I am going to put in here is, from my office, I picked out the letters out of my beads, like my bracelet beads. C, A, L, M. And I feel like whenever they're overstimulated or whatever, like they can look and like try to find like the different letters. Like, hey, can you find every letter of calm? It also came with numbers. Like, this pack came with numbers, and they have all the numbers except for 5. They even have 0, but there's no 5, and I don't have a 5. So, but if we had a 5, I think in theory we could say something like, can you find all the numbers? Like, count from 0 to 9 with all the numbers. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it came with these little things, and I think that like whenever they go over a light, like they shine a different color, you know? So I'm gonna add those in. And then it came with these pencils, and I feel like you could ask them like, how many different colored pencils can you find? Because the answer is 5. There's peach, pink, green, black, and yellow. And then it came with this glitter. I'm gonna use some of the glitter. You know what? I'll just use all of it. It's white. Okay, then from my own office, I'm adding a blue heart, and I feel like I have a lot of different color hearts. Like, I feel like you could put several in there and ask them how many different color hearts they can find, like for them to focus in. I have dice. I want to see if they land a certain way where they could like try to shake the dice to get them on a certain number. So I have a blue and an orange dice. Then from a different set of things that I had these little fruit. They're flat, like little clay things. And you could ask them to find their favorite fruit or how many fruits they can find, because there's a lot. There's avocado, lemon, lime, watermelon, strawberry, apple, grapefruit, kiwi, putting those in there, little sprinklies. And then this is just like assorted confetti, and it has little hearts and flowers that I already had. Come on, get in there. Go ahead, go ahead. I also have sprinkles, like candy sprinkles. Some new gold stars. I think that would be cute. They don't want to come out the bag. Hang on. Okay. So now you have all your junk in there. You fill it with water. You could technically use like food coloring and stuff too. Try to fill it all the way. Whoop. Has bubbles in it. Okay. Can I open it now? No, I can't. Okay, good. It's so pretty. Okay, so then we mix it up. And there's all different little things in there. It needs more water, but there's like air bubbles caught in there, so I couldn't put more. But I will add more. And I need to make sure we get batteries for the bottom so that it will light up. But like it'll stop lighting up, but then if you... Well, is it lighting up? No, it's not. It just seems like it is because of all the confetti in there. But yeah, I can see all the fruits. I can see all the letters. I like it. And then it came with this little thing. It's a mesh filter bag, and you put it over like the lid and you dump it all out, and you can keep all your little things in here. And then it came with like a little baggie to put those in once you get them all out. But honestly, I wouldn't have done the white glitter confetti that came in that extra pack, but like the heavier confetti that I already had, I would have done. So that's the sensory jar.